All right, guys, this is me again. This is Emmett, the Alpha Builder. So let's see what we got here. So we got these guys going on here, man. We doing guys, I typically don't like renovations. That's not my game. But since this is my daughter's house, congratulations to her. She bought her and her fiance just purchased their first house, and which is really good, guys, because they're only 24 years old. And you know, they buying a house that's probably well in the, once we get done with this thing ought to be well in the mid fours when we get it all said and done. But I'm gonna walk you guys through what we're doing here. So typically when you come through here, so we got the dining room. We're gonna do Culford ceilings up here. I don't know why. All right. We're gonna do Culford ceilings up here. And we also, she wanted chair rail. For some odd reason, she wanted chair rail here, along with those boxes that you usually see. She wanted to keep the original style that we have here, like with this, back in the day they did this speed, you know, like this speed base and all that kind of stuff, like the baseboards was just regular baseboards and the crown was the regular crown molding up there, not cove. So she wanted to stick with the, you know, she wanted to stick with the doors. She wanted everything to look normal. I feel like, so we had to redo those right there. The original homeowner that was here, he actually had, they had carpet up the steps. I took those guys out and put hardwood there, but this right here, only one side was finished here. And so I just redid the whole thing to make everything just hardwood instead of part carpet and part hardwood. So we put those in. I've already ordered the cabinets in this house. So we're gonna keep the fireplace. We're gonna change this out. We'll put those little balls that they have in here. Guys, we're gonna resand this whole floor. We're gonna resurface all the floors. I actually put this floor down right here in this room right here. I put this down a long time ago, and I tried to stain. I think I got it almost the same color, but man, that job in there is so crappy. So I got my guys gonna come in here and redo the whole floors. I had a different floor in here, so we're gonna redo this floor. So our, you know, the hardwood is already purchased, so they just bring. I had the guy to go pick it up, guys, and then and we'll bring it out here and put that in. We also got cabinets. So these are, we threw all the cabinets away, guys, but these are some cabinets that we kept because we may end up using those cabinets, may end up finishing. But we got all this tile. I put this down back in the day, guys. We're gonna tear all this up. You see, we took all the cabinets out. This is the kitchen area right here. So we took all this out. And cabinets are just so expensive now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a row of those cabinets. I'm gonna say we'll probably put them right there. And we have the painters gonna come in here and do their thing. I'm gonna take all the light fixtures down, and we're gonna repaint this whole house. We're gonna refloor it. We're gonna do LVP in here. That looks like, it actually looks like tile. And guys, I think I kind of learned a lesson. The last job on my personal house, I let my, I'm not gonna talk about it, but I let somebody else get the measurements for the tile in. And man, I had probably $600 worth of tile left over, you know. So yeah. So we're doing a total gut of the bathroom. Guys, I came in here and tried this right here, man. This wasn't for me. It was just way too much. So we're gonna, a lot of work. Now I tell you what, man. Hey, it looked like it come up easier for you. I was gonna put crown in here, but I think that's just too much. Because you got the box ceilings, and we're running into a problem right here where the windows at. So we'll see how that right there works. So other than that, we're not gonna do too much upstairs other than the common area. So we'll repaint the whole common area, put crown up in there. Like I said, in the kitchen, we're gonna do crown. And we can put those in, and we'll paint the whole thing here, guys. So this is gonna look really good when we get it done. Got another room in here that we're gonna do, guys. And I tell you what, man, I cleaned out. We had a basement full of stuff, and so I actually had to change out dumpsters here, man. So I had to get a whole nother dumpster down here. I didn't know I had that much stuff in this house, and we still got the whole attic area that needs to be done. Guys, I'm gonna redo the entire outside. We're gonna brick this part right here. We'll brick that. We'll do siding on the back and the side. We're gonna do some more landscaping here. Get the landscaping in order. And I'm gonna keep you guys posted on this bad boy. Let me just see what else we got here. I need to go get some spindles, man. They kind of got me. It's kind of tapped into my whole day. So now, let's see what else we got here. All right, guys, like, share, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. This is the way. Guys, so here's the latest on the renovation. So this is the first coat of the floors right here. This is what it's gonna look like. This is what this room looks like, guys. This is the first coat of paint, first coat of floors. That's what that looks like. What mirror are you gonna use on this right here, Hayla? What mirror are you gonna use? It's in the basement. You gonna use that same mirror that was in there? We just put it back on the wall? All right, good deal. Yeah, so that's what that looked like. She gonna paint this right here. This is what this looks like, guys. So it's coming right along. I also got the guys gonna put what they call fireballs in here. So he'll be coming out sometime this week to get those in. I kind of moved everything back in here. This is what the tub looked like, guys. Here's another project for me. I'm gonna take, these are plantation blinds, man. So they need to be repainted and fixed. A couple of them needs to be fixed. So I'm gonna take this back to the shop and I'm gonna fix them. I'm gonna fix and paint them. I'm gonna repaint all of them. The same color of the trim that we used, and we'll put them back up. We'll put all these bad boys back up and we'll make sure they work again. These plantation blinds they're just too expensive to just throw them away. There's some really nice blinds, really good look. Tile guy can come do his thing. So I cleaned this. I actually took all this stuff. I had all this stuff in here. So I got all this stuff out of here so he can come back and do his thing. I gotta cut that off right there. So we're gonna tile all the floors. We gotta float this right here. I need to go ahead and insulate that, guys. But he has his cement board here. This is my closet system that we're gonna put in here. Hopefully I got about 2 weeks on this thing and I get out of here. So this is kind of what we're looking like. Appliances on the way. I wish the appliances were here. The backsplash got to get put on, but this is what the kitchen looks like. So we'll put the, this is LVP, by the way. This is not tile, this is LVP. This is what the kitchen's gonna look like. She got our dishwasher. And we have, she's using induction again. So we have an induction cooktop. Well, induction freestanding range. And instead of doing a microwave over this right here, we're gonna do this right here. She's gonna have it to where she's gonna put the microwave in here somewhere in one of these cabinets here. We got a plug here. So we put a little microwave. Guys, I'm starting to see more and more of that. People are just getting away from microwaves. We gotta cover that up right there. But this is what we're looking like, guys. It's starting to come together. It's actually starting to come together here. Got this bad boy. I'm running one cycle of, I'm washing one cycle just to make sure that sucker works. Man, we didn't have the right, I gotta change the plug out. It had an older plug there. Got more light fixtures, you gotta go up. So electrician will be finished with his stuff Friday. He promised me he'd be done Friday. So we're gonna let him get his stuff out the way. But this is kind of what we're looking like, guys. This is what you wanna look. Also, we kind of did a couple of things outside. By the way, I put a car charge on this thing right here. We gotta migrate that thing down to the basement. So that tree right there needs to be cut back. That stuff we need to bring the blower, get up there and blow that pine straw off the top of the roof up there. Yeah, that pine straw right there. They're gonna paint the windows. Front door is gonna get painted. Put some mulch out here, get a little landscaping going on. Maybe cut these trees down just a tad bit where they look manageable. And that tree needs to be cut back really good. I usually cut the bottom where you don't see anything on the bottom and just a little, kind of like that one right there over there, like Rick's over there. So I'll come over here one day and get their landscaping together. Or help them get their landscaping together. I had some stone that we could have ran all the way around, make it look really good. I gotta look and see if I got some more. I think we threw them all away, man. I think that's some, because I had to run stone on my house.
This all looks better.
Yeah. That right there, this bush right here needs to be separated, where you can see the separation of the bushes. Like you see how you can see the separations of those bushes right there? Yeah, it's two different bushes over there, so you need to separate them. I'd probably go ahead and take that holly tree down really low. That thing sticky real good, but this is what it looks like right here, guys. Eventually we'll come through here and rip this driveway off and redo it. But all right, guys, that's it.